Hey everyone, the shenanigans are continuing for Irish Week, and we are going to be making today our Gold Rush. So for this cocktail, it is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tin and your jigger for accurate measurements. This one is going to take fresh squeezed lemon juice, honey syrup, and then your favorite brand of bourbon. As always, the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. So we're going to start off with 0.75 ounces of our honey syrup, 0.75 ounces of our fresh squeezed lemon juice. Whoa, that came out super fast. And then if I had planned properly, I would have taken the lid off of there. And then 2 full ounces of your favorite bourbon. And then we are going to fill our shaker tin up with ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. All right, and we did use fresh squeezed lemon juice. So we're gonna need our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. For this particular cocktail, we are gonna be using a rocks glass, and we are gonna be putting a BFC into our rocks glass. And then our mesh strainer. And we're gonna go right over the top of our ice cube, unless you are super bougie and you put a stamp on it. Then you want to pour to the side so you don't destroy your stamp. But I don't have a stamp right now, so hopefully for Mother's Day. Gorgeous. And then for our garnish on this one, we are going to use our dreaded lemon twist. But I'm getting better at it, I think. Or I feel, maybe. I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. But there you have it, our delicious Gold Rush cocktail. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, enjoy the content, and of course my gorgeous face, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're making the cocktails or if there's a cocktail in particular you would like to see next. Cheers!